Welcome back to Byw'n Iach Penllyn. We've got some changes in our centre. We've got lots of signage round, it's for your safety. Join me and I'll take you around the centre so you can see what to expect. There's a number of hand washing stations around the centre, including one as you enter. Please make sure you use them as you go around. Let's go on to reception. You must pre-book to use the fitness room and the classes, and then when you arrive, please swipe your card so we know you're here. Please only use the machines that are available to use. We've put a one-way system in the gym so everyone can go round safely 2 metres apart. Please remember to clean down all equipment after use. When you've finished in the fitness room, please exit this way. When exiting any fitness classes, please leave through this way. We're looking forward to having everybody back. See you soon. Thanks.